Good evening, guys. I'm going to make a video presentation about um, remaining cargo to load and how to compute the maximum cargo to load. So this is a mini bulker, four-hole vessel, and he's within the summer tropical zone. So let's start, guys. Okay, this is finding the amount of cargo the ship can load when limited by load line regulations, meaning is within the summer drop zone or summer zone. And just read this one, guys, and let's go straight to the problem, which is example 5.1. I've already discussed this in my previous videos, but let's make a review. Okay, so a mini bulker was ordered to load full to her mark at port located in summer zone. So the loading port is in the summer zone and is to load full to her mark, meaning her maximum summer drop. And her summer displacement is 7,573 metric tons, corresponds to the salt water drop of 6.018. And the TPC of summer drop is 14.57 tons per cubic centimeter. Her light displacement or light ship is 1771 metric tons. Remaining cargo on board on departure from loading port as follows. So this is the ROB or remaining cargo on board. FO T50 DO 69 LO 7 meters, freshwater 152, ballast is 0 and constant is 95. Throughout her entire voyage, her drop is limited only to summer load line, meaning he cannot go or exceed the summer load line. The route is within the summer load line. So he has to maintain the summer drop of 6.018. Okay, this is now the question. Number one, the quantity of cargo to load. So how much will be the maximum cargo to load? The maximum permissible drop is floating in water density 1.08 per tons per cubic meters. Meaning, what will be her drop if she is floating in a density 1.008, okay? And her drop if she is floating in seawater. Aside from 1.008, her drop is floating in seawater density 1.025. The answer to number 3 is already here, which is summer drop of 1.018, meaning when she's floating in water density 1.05, this will be his departure drop of 1.018. Okay? And number 4, if she's about to complete loading, floating in a drop of 5.90 meters in water density 1.0008 tons per cubic, what quantity of remaining cargo to load? So how much will be his remaining cargo to load if his present drop is 5.90? Okay, so the solution is determining the governing zone, which is the summer zone. Know that number 2, know the drop displacement a governing zone. Since her drop is limited by the zone at the start of voyage, which is a summer drop, then she must be within the limit of the departure from loading port. So departure drop at summer salt water or is 1.018. Okay, so let's check, guys. Is departure at load port is summer drop. Okay, summer drop. So this is summer drop, and its maximum drop is 6.018, and the displacement would be 7.5 of displacement is 7573 metric tons. The light ship is 1771. Okay, light ship is 1771, which is this one. 1771 light ship, this one. And the summer drop, summer displacement 7573, which is 7573 7573. Okay, and the drop, summer drop is 6.018. 6.018. Okay, and these are the remaining cargoes. Okay, ROB. So we already determined the zone. So drop is 6.018. The displacement is 7573. TPC is 1457. 6.018. Check. We have a TPC here. No, so TPC, we go to the hydrostatic table. TPC hydrostatic table is, how much is, say, what is the displacement? 75. Summer is 7573. 7573. Okay, 7573. 7573. That is 6.018, and the PC is 14575. 14575. 14575, so 57. Okay, and number 3, we go to number 3. Go to number 3. Okay, go to number 3. Photo, open with photos. And number 3, find the quantity of cargo to load can be lifted, meaning what will be our maximum cargo to load. So this is your fuel ROBs. Fuel 350, diesel 69, low oil is 152, Walla zero, and constant is 195. Total weight on board is 673, which is this one, guys. These are the ROBs. Total all this one, that will be amount to 673. And your summer displacement is 7573. Deduct your light displacement or light ship is 1771. Then your dead weight is 5802 metric tons. Minus your remaining on board of 673, which is this one. Then your maximum cargo to load is 5129. So this will be your maximum cargo to load. So the answer is 5129. So we go to number 4. Find the departure drop at water density of 1.008. Okay. So what we do, you can change your departure drop should be salt water of 6.018. What will be your drop if you are floating at density 1.008? Okay, if you are floating in 1.008, this is number 2. So what you do, what I do is I made a conversion from salt water to duck water. So your drop of summer drop is 60018, which is this one, and the corresponding displacement 7573. 7573. And what will be her drop if she's floating on a density of 1.08? Okay, so to get the dock water density is displacement times salt water over dock water density. So your displacement is 7573 times your salt water of 1.025 over your displacement 1.008. Okay, multiply this one, that will be 7762.325 over 1.028, and the water density displacement is 770072 or 7701. So what will be the corresponding drop of 7701? So I go back to the hydrostatic table, 7701. So you put here 7701. That will be 6.106. Okay, that will be 6.106. That will be 6.106. Okay, if you press enter, it is already automatic. It will adjust to 6.11. Okay, so here from salt water, and his departure drop would be 6.106, which is her departure drop here when plotting a density of 1.008. That will be 6.108. Okay, that will be how much? 6.108. This one, okay. 106. 6.106. If you put 6.106 and the displacement is 7702.72, which is this one, and his saltwater density will be displacement will 7573, which is this one, 7573, and the displacement will be 6.018. It is already run off, that's why it's 6.02. Okay, this is C3, that will be C3, this one, 6.018. Okay, so I made this conversion, so it will easy, very easy to convert. So this the displacement, okay, departure displacement will be 6106. 6106, what I have 61, I have how much? 6106. Okay, 6106, and the answer here is 6106, the same. Okay, now we go to number 5. Number 5 is how much will be his remaining cargo to load. Sinkage, first you have to get the sinkage is final drop minus present drop. This is your final drop in density 1.008 minus your present drop of 5.90. That will be 0.21 or 0.206. Okay, so we'll put this present drop is 9.50, 5.90. So I go to form number 6. Your present drop example is 5.90. 5.90. Forward and up is 5.90. Okay, then your mean drop is 5.90. Then your actual mid port is 5.90, 5.90, and your actual mid starboard is 5.90, 5.90, okay, 5.90, okay, 5.90. Then your mid drop is 5.90 in a density of 1.008, and after completion of loading, your density is 1.008. Put this one, 1.008. Sorry. Put this one down. Now, the according to our conversion, your departure drop at dock water should be 1.6.106, okay, according to your departure drop of water should be, water is 6.018. This is your salt water. How much, what will be your drop in dock water? Density of 1008. So what you do, you go to, this is, that will be, this will be your salt water is 6.018. So what will be his drop in salt water? This one. What will be maximum permission drop is equals water of 1.008. 1.008. Since this is your fresh water, what will be his drop water? That will be 6.106. So put here 6.106. Put there 6.106. Okay, this is the same. I got here 6.108. That will be 6. I got this will be 6.106. So I put 6. I put here, got here 6.106. You press enter, and this will be his recommended cargo to load of 302. So let's say, take note of the initial drop of 5.90. TPC is 14.48, which is the same here. It's your TPC, and put this recommended cargo to load here of 302. Okay, you put it 302, and take note, this is a present drop, and this will be your final drop or departure drop. Departure drop is, that will be, should be, you add this one, this is your sinkage, and this will be your departure drop. What I do is your weight of 302 divide with your initial TPC, which is this one, from your present drop 14.08, then you will get 20.86. Divide this with 100, that will be 0.21209 or 0.21, which is this one. You add this one, your present drop plus your sinkage, then your departure drop will be 6.11. What you do, put this equals, this one, equals, then you press enter, then the actual recommended is 3.05. So, 3.05 there, follow this arrow, then you load 3.05, 305, 305. Once you load 305, your midport is 6.08 and your sinkage is almost 20, almost 20.208 or 21. Okay, so your recommended is 305. 305, 305. Okay, so, or you can put it like this, 6.11, and the recommended cargo to load is 307. You make this 308. Okay, 308, 308. What is equals? This one. That will be 312. Okay, you put 312, 312. Follow this arrow, put 312, 312. It should be, okay, do it again, 6 point, because, guys, take note, in actual practice, you don't put 6.018. So that will be the corresponding, you don't put here 6.0106. It should be 6.11. It should be run up. You don't depart, or you don't depart with a 6.106. No, you don't depart with this kind of drop. Okay, it's either 6.11 or 6.10. Since 6.11 is the nearest, that's why it's run up to 6.11. Okay, so we just put 611, put there 611, 6.11, and the recommended cargo to load is 308, 307. So you put here 308, 308 on the top, then you will have the drop of 6.11. So here, follow this arrow, then you put 308, 308, and take note, exactly the drop will be 6.11 and the sinkage is 0.21, which is exactly the same here. Okay, your departure drop is 6.110 and your sinkage is 0.21. In floating density 1.008. Okay, so this is the recommended actual cargo to load for trimming, which is 3.008. Okay, we'll put this one, one more M. It's for trimming, okay? Then you go to trim holes 2. You go to trim holes 2. Take note of the remaining cargo to load is 308, which is trimming with 2 holes. 308, this is the initial drop, mean drop, and this is the MTC, LCF, and TPC. And your trimming mode is 1 and 4, for example, 1 and 4. Sorry, 4. Now, departure drop, you say you have even kill, no trim, put 0 here. And how much are you going to load in hold number 1? So in hold number 1, you load 1 to 0. So put here, number 1, 1 to 0. And number 4 will be 188, 188, or 188. There you go. And your departure drop is even kill, forward is 6.11, up is 6.11, 0 trim, and your mean drop is 6.11. And your deflection is 0. Okay? So how do you get this mid? This equals, you go to form 6, and this will be your mid of 6.11. Press enter, and your mean, put equals, this will be your mean. Okay? Equals, and your trim is, flexion is 0. Then we go back to form number 6. Form number 6 is how to find trim when handling several moderate weights. Okay? Scroll down. Take note in number 1 is 120 and 4 is 188. So, number 1 is 120, 4 is 188. Okay? So 120, hold number 1, you put 120, apply the LCG, and the hold number 4 is 188, apply the LCG, and your departure drop would be, forward is 11.11, up drop is 6.11, 0 trim, and your mean drop is 6.11, and you have a 0 deflection. So you have form number 6, you have your trim to holds, then we go by trim table. Okay, take note that your trimming table, the cargo for trimming is 308. In hold number 1, your weight is 120, and in hold number 4 is 188. Apply the correction in cargo hold number 1 is 19. Forward correction up is negative 1.25, and number 4 hold is, forward is negative 0.85, and up is 1.12, and your departure drop is exactly even kill of 611, forward up is 611, mean is 611, your mid is 611, and your trim is 0, and your deflection is 0. Okay? Now, first you want to load in number 4 to have a good trim. Take note that number 4, the weight is 188, correction is negative 85, up is 12, and number 1 is 120, weight is 120, the correction forward is 19, and up correction is negative 125. So you have to load first in number 4 so that you will have a good trim from your initial drop. After loading hold number 4, this will be your drop. Forward 588 and up is 6.13. Then you load number 1 of 120 metric tons. After loading number 1, your trim forward, your drop forward 6.11, up is 6.11, your trim is 0, and your mean drop is 6.11. Then you have 0 deflection here. Okay? Then the last program, which is how to find drop and trim when handling weights involving large changes of mean drop. So from initial, Loading, your density is 1.008. Your initial drop forward and up is 5.90, 5.90. Scroll down, apply the weights in number 1, which is 120, apply the LCG, and number 4, the weight is 188, apply the LCG, and apply the final density upon completion of 1.08, and your final drop forward will be 6.11, up drop is 6.11, your mid drop is 6.11, okay? And just put the deflection here, okay? Just put this one, copy, you go to for number 7, then you can put it here, okay? Oh, a little here, put here, paste, okay? So what is your mid drop? Was you go for number 6, then you go to your final mid drop. Final mid drop, which is this one. Push enter, and your mean drop was equals, and this will be your mean drop, okay? Then your deflection is 0, okay? Or you can put this, your mean drop was, this will be your mean drop here, this one. That was your mean drop. Then your deflection is 0, which is 0, okay? So you have 4 programs. This is for number 7, which is handling large changes in mean drop. Then you have your trim table, okay? Trimming table. Then trim 2 holes, okay? You're trimming with 2 holes, and your final drop is even keel 611, and for number 6, which is how to find trim when handling several moderate weights, okay? Which is even keel of 611, okay? Now, I would like to emphasize, guys, with this form of form 6, to get this remaining cargo to load, which is this one. If you click this one, you will have K8, which is K, row 8, that will be your sinkage, which is 0.21, times your M3, M3, which is the TPC of 14.65 times 100, that's why you get 307.6. Now, why did I use this TPC of 14.65? Because your departure drop is 6.11 or 6.108, 611. You have to interpolate the TPC of 6.11, which is 6.65. That's why you got here 16.65. Now, according to the problem, the TPC he used is 14.57, okay? We go to the what he used is TPC of 14.57, okay? 14.57, which is this one. So we try to use 14.57. So we put here 14.328. Where did I get the 14.328? Let me check, guys. 14.238. This one, interpolation. Because we interpolated this TPC because it's floating at density 1.608. That's why he got 14.328. So TPC, which is 14.57, which is this one, okay, times the density of actual density 1.08008 over salt water. So your TPC of 1.608 is 14.328. Okay, this is 14.57. Okay, this is salt water. That's why he used 14.328. Okay, so guys, we try to use this 14.328. Okay, put this 14.328. Okay, take note, it is already run up here, and your cargo to load is 301 to be to make it run up. So we try to put 301. Okay, put it 301. 301. Take note of this mid drop and sinkage. Okay, 301. Your sinkage is exactly 3611, and your sinkage is 21. Okay, but if you use 6.08, then your sinkage is 6.11 and 21 here. Okay, but let's see, get back. Then the recommended is 308. Okay, 308 using this formula. Guys, take note, what I use the TPC here is the TPC of your departure draft, which is 6.110 of 16.65. I never use this one, or I never use this interpolation or transposition from, or how do you call this one? Transpose this 14.57 to 14.3 to get this density 1.0. I don't use this one. I just use this. Whatever your departure drop of 611, this will be your TPC. That's why using this formula, sinkage times TPC times 100, I got 307. So that's why I put here 308, and I got this 308. Take note of the drop is 6.110 and 0.21. Let's say the recommended load was 295. Using this formula, remaining cargo to load is 2.06. This is the sinkage times your TPC of times 100, and its recommended is 295. So we use 295 here. I put here 295, so we put here 295. What happens? Take note that the drop is 6.10 and 201. This is not exactly as it is written here of 6.11. Take note that the departure drop is 6.018. If you round it up, that will be 6.02, or which was the other one? That will be it should be 6.11 or 1.06. But you don't use 6.106. It's either 6.10 or 6.11. That's why I use here 6.11, and using 6.11, the recommended cargo to load for trimming should be 308. Take note, if I put this to 308, take note of this one, 308, then you have 611, 621, which is exactly the same here. Okay? That's I use 608. Okay. It's up to you if you want to use 6295, but I use this 308 as recommended by this program using the TPC of 14.65. For example, you use 14328 as recommended 14328. Okay? 14328, 14328, 14.328. Take note that the recommended calculator is 300.89. You put it 301, 301. Then you have exactly here 6.110 and 0.21. Okay? But I don't use this 328 because of your drop here of 611 should be 14.65. So let's put it back. Then this one, 308. Then your departure drop is 611. Trim to holds 611, 308, and my trim table 308, quarter drop is 611, and for number 7, your departure drop is 611. Okay? And let's explain this one. So you got your ROB, your displacement, summer displacement is 7573 minus your light ship. This will be your dead weight minus your remaining cargo on board of 673. This will be your maximum cargo to load. Maximum cargo to load of 5129, which is loadable cargo is maximum cargo is 5129. Okay? Find the departure drop of the water density because your summer drop, your departure, okay, your departure drop is 6.018 is salt water. So what will be his drop if you are floating at density 1.008? Okay, 1.008. That will be your departure drop. So convert your summer drop to density, the water density 1.008, which is this one. Okay. So this is your maximum summer drop, displacement of 7573, and this is your dock water density 1.08. What will be your dock water density and drop when you're floating at density 1.08? And the answer is 6.106, and the displacement is 701. 6.106, which is this one. So when you plot in a density 1.08, the drop will be 6.106. In the program, you round up this to 6.11. Okay? And according to his sinkage is 0.20, which is round up to 0.21. and its recommended cargo to load is 295 using the density sinkage of 14.28 with this interpolation here. But again, my program, I don't use this TPC, I use TPC of the departure of 6.11, which is 14.65. And to get this remaining cargo to load of 3.08, when you put 3.08, the exactly mid drop is 6.11, up the linkage is 0.21, which is the same here. Okay, and that you will get departure drop of even keel 611, trim 2 holds even keel of 611, trim table even keel of 611, and large. Now, how to find drop and trim when handling weight involving large changes. Departure drop is even keel of 611, and your deflection is 0. So that's it. That's it, guys. I hope you like this video presentation. If you like this video, please click the like button, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and good night.